Hello and welcome to Urban Eco Recyclers. Are you planning to relocate, renovate, or vacate your office in Bangalore? If yes, you've come to the right place. At Urban Eco Recyclers, we provide professional office dismantling services in Bangalore for IT companies, corporate offices, commercial buildings, hospitals, educational institutions, and industrial facilities. Our skilled team safely dismantles office furniture, workstations, server racks, networking cables, electrical fixtures, and IT equipment with minimal disruption to your operations. We also ensure secure IT asset disposal, responsible e-waste recycling, and environmentally compliant processing. From a single office to an entire corporate floor, we deliver fast, reliable, and hassle-free service.